everybody, today we're gonna do the unboxing of the GoPro Hero 11, the Creator Editions. So let's see. I just got it this morning. It's a big box. The packaging seems to be really nice, so we're gonna open the box right now. You're gonna, oops. It's a pretty nice case. Wow. Create Edition must be updated before you can use it. Wow, how's everything? What is it? Oh, the flashlight, the battery, the mod, the box, and the camera, of course. The handle. Wow. This also can convert to tripod. And we got a lot of accessories underneath. We got 2 wires. Oh, got so much stuff. Oh, this is for the door. When you install this on the GoPro, so you can easy to charge the GoPro. You can pop the old door, pop this one in. So when you plug it in, this is a wire. Sorry, it's a water resistant door, not waterproof. So just like that. See, when it goes in, yeah, it's tight seal like that. Got the door. Got this attachment. The 2 screws. It's a nice packaging. Got 2 of these. 2 wires. That's for the microphone. And another mount adapter. And interesting there too. So we need to this is so nice. Camera must be updated before you can use it. We're gonna update that, no problem. Now we're gonna install the camera slider into the media kit. We close the door, just like that, nice. We're gonna install the pop filters, just like that. And we're gonna install the light. Pretty nice. Now we're gonna do the initial setup. English. Agree. Yes. On. Okay, need to install the app. Okay. The camera. Connect to a camera. It's pairing right now. Yep, there. Did the update for the GoPro. When you go in the setting, there's a lot of setting right now. There's auto, slow motion, there's cinematic, active, full frame, and standard.
So once you have your GoPro and you have your Volta mount, you're going to want to make sure it's not plugged in. And then you're going to want to swipe down and then swipe to the right to preferences. And then you're going to want to see where it says wireless connections. You're going to want to push on that. And then make sure you have wireless connections are on. And if it's off, you want to click on it and then swipe it up to on. And then you want to go to connect device. You want to go to connect device. You want to click Volta. And then when you want to unplug it and hold the Bluetooth button for around 4 seconds until it says connection successful up here and a blue light down here is on. Now what you want to do is, if you want, you can go back and plug in your Volta to the thing, and then you're going to want to, and then after you push the buttons on the Volta mount, it should change the modes on the GoPro, and if you push the red button, it should either record or take a photo on your GoPro.
If you connect the camera to the Volta, you can have a lot of options. So you can turn this sideways, and you press, this is spring loaded. You press it and you can hang it to the chest or the side of the mount if you like. If you're gonna push it inside, you're gonna hold this button and push it back in. This will be the story when you turn it. I mean, the whole setup is really nice. I like it a lot. And if you do like a time lapse, this is perfect because it can go for a long time, more than 4 hours. I mean, basically right now you have almost 3 batteries in the Volta, and one in the GoPros. You have 4 batteries right now, and that's a long time. So later on, yeah,
There's different settings on it, remember?
That's the brightest setting. Yeah, like that. Overall, I'm really impressed with the new GoPro 11, and I'm really like the creator editions because it will come with everything you need. If you like to do a lot of video, you can put this sideways, stand up and put this up. It's really cool. Right now the GoPro is getting charged from the battery or from the Volta. This way, if you want to charge the Volta, take this cover off and it come with the wire. You can charge it right there. It's pretty nice. Also the light, if you want to charge it, you can just, there's a little tiny door right here. You press on it, see that, and you can have how you charge the light. You can remove this cover to get more brighter light, but this is kind of the filter for the light. And you put it back. I'm really impressed. So that's it for the unboxing for the GoPro 11 Creator Editions. If you like it, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for future video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.